Hi guys, I'm Jamel Jones, founder of New Realm Digital Marketing and creator of the New Realm Universal Marketing System. I created a complete walkthrough video before about the system. It turned out to be about 40 minutes long, and who knew people don't like watching 40-minute videos, right? So, so I'm gonna go ahead and create a diet version. This is gonna be a diet version of the walkthrough video, and I'll try to keep it under a few minutes, guys. All right, guys. So, to start it off, we're just going to go through these very quickly. This is the getting started page. You can pause and read everything that you could do. This is the dashboard. Has your opportunities, your pipeline value, and your conversion rate. In the video, the other video I made, you can see that I actually created this conversion just by moving something around in the pipelines. This is your universal inbox. You can create, you can message and respond to people via SMS, emails. You can check your voicemails in here. You can actually create contacts, not create contacts, but you can edit the contacts inside of here. Over here, you can add the emails, add tags, delete tags, add different opportunities, things like that. Um, as I said in the other video, you can connect all of your social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, your Google My Business, and what else? LinkedIn. This is your calendars where you can book your appointments directly from the system. Um, you can confirm, do all of these things. In the calendar settings, you can actually create multiple calendar groups and create multiple different calendars for different things. This is the CRM where all of your contacts live. You can add or change the pipeline, add to campaigns or workflows, send one-off SMS messages, one-off emails, add tags, remove tags, delete contacts, send review requests, export your contacts, import contacts, or merge contacts. The filters section over here, you can filter down by anything, including all the custom fields that you create. Contact requests, company, tasks, everything, all these things up here. These things right here are called smart lists. You can create those based on specific filters. More details in that in other videos. You can search for them. Your pipelines. This is awesome. I'm going to show you guys real quick what I did with the other one. Go ahead and move that and it disappears from the pipeline. Let's go back over to the dashboard and we see that this conversion rate has changed because we moved that contact to 1, which means that that's a closed deal or whatever, right? You can create as many pipelines as you want. It's all up to you. You can take payments or have subscriptions. I know a lot of my clients, they have courses and they run their courses out of here and they take in subscriptions monthly on their system. Social marketing, this is what I was talking about. This is your social planner right here. You can plan out things to an infinite amount of time on your Facebook, Instagram, your GMB, LinkedIn, Twitter. We're working on implementing other social media platforms also. You can create email campaigns. You can edit email templates inside of here. It's drag and drop just like the website builder. You can set email templates and text message templates for your VAs, trigger links. I go into that a little bit more in the other thing, but basically it lets you know if someone clicks on a link in a nutshell. This is your workflows, campaigns, and triggers. Campaigns and triggers are kind of being phased out a little bit. They'll still be available for all clients if you want to use them, but workflows is like campaigns and triggers had a baby and that baby turned into the Hulk, right? It's like you can literally create an automated system that you will never have to touch again inside of here, and that's why I specialize in. I love and I it's a lot, but I specialize in creating automations. So let's go on to online marketing. It's your funnels, websites, blogs, your memberships. This is the courses that you can create. Your forms, surveys, your chat widget for your website. You can add that to an external website or an internal website. This is all the media that you can upload to put on your website or redirects. You guys probably know what that is. Review manager. It's an overview page. This is your requests that you've sent out. This is the reviews that you've gotten in. This is a SEO service that we provide. It's $100 a month. You can, once you sign up for this, it will put your business on all of these sites. It's an amazing tool, and you don't really have to do anything else after that. Your reporting, this is your Google ads, Facebook ads, your attribution reporting shows you where your money's coming from. Call reporting, agent reporting, appointment reports, those are pretty straightforward, I think. You can access, this account is a real estate account, so from this account you can access Propstream, Propelio, REI Sift. This is the quick start training, takes you to all the training videos for the entire system. Direct mail integration. This is creatives. You can go in and create icons, contacts, not contacts, but icons and logos and stuff for your website. Privy. If you guys want to check out any of these, the links in the description of this video. Skip tracing. You actually skip trace directly from the system. If you're a client with us, if you're a premium client with us, you can skip trace for as little as 5.5 cents per record. Our budget clients, we have three different plans. Budget, just for the universal CRM, that is. Budget, value, and premium. Budgets, skip tracing is 9.5 cents, still 5.5 cents lower than the lowest ones I've seen out there, and it's like really reliable data. Value is 7.5 cents, and premium is 5.5 cents. You can actually pull lists from the system too. We haven't fully integrated that yet, but if you wanted to pull a list, you could reach out to me, and we have this system that's called seller propensity data. And what it is it basically does all of the hard work for you as far as stacking lists and all the other type of stuff, and it gives you it spits out the seller's propensity to sell from 1x to 4x based on their situation and their online moving. It's an artificial intelligence system, so it works really well for me and my real estate company. So if you guys wanted to grab that, just reach out to me. This is a Zapier Alternative. Some of you guys use Zapier, connecting a few different systems together. With this system, you don't really have to connect a bunch of different systems together, because you can basically do everything inside of this system, but it still works really well. I use it to create forms and contracts and stuff, not forms, but contracts and stuff inside of Google Drive, and to send stuff out. Anyway, this is your business info. This is your staff. You can add as many employees as you want when you're on the premium system. And something I didn't mention is you can assign data to your teams, right? Pipelines is your profile, calendars, phone numbers. You can purchase as many phone numbers as you like. Your review management. This is your custom fields. Custom values, all of your domains. This is just everything, your tags, custom fields. You can go in here and you can create anything that you want, and you can actually sort by these things inside of the CRM itself. And if you guys are noticing this, I am putting together an automated marketing system for real estate investors and wholesalers, and the system this system is already complete. I'm working on something else, like a version 2.0 for it. The system, it markets for you. It sends out messages, responds to prospects, everything. And I'm also putting together an offering system that actually makes offers on your behalf. But anyway, this video is at 10 minutes now, and that's probably all the time you guys have to spare. So I'm going to cut it off here. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out to me. There's a link in the description to book an appointment with me to chat, and you can also just message me. I've got my Facebook profile and everything down there. So I look forward to helping you guys grow. And also, this, like I said, this system right here, this location is built out for real estate investors and wholesalers, but I have like multiple different types of business owners that utilize the system. You can run multiple different businesses from one profile. It's just all about what you want to do. And I like to say that whatever your imagination can come up with, you can build out inside of the system. And so far, I have not been made a liar with that statement. I have several different clients that reach out to me and they want some things that I don't have built out and that I've never built out before. And I dive deep into it and work on it. And so far, I've always been able to manage to build it out for them. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. You can watch the longer video that goes through all of these things a little bit more. And I hope to see you guys on the other side.